The Leisure Wonder is a luxury RV built on a Ford Transit base, perfect for people who want comfort and style while traveling. It looks modern from the outside and feels spacious and cozy inside, like a small home on wheels. It has a well-equipped kitchen, soft seats, and a warm sleeping area for a relaxing trip. It also includes useful tech like a Wi-Fi extender and a powerful generator, so you can stay online and have electricity wherever you go. Whether you're visiting a national park or going on a weekend trip, the Leisure Wonder makes travel easy and enjoyable. The Genius Houseboot is a floating tiny house made for people who want adventure and comfort at the same time. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of water under your feet. This modern houseboat has large glass windows and a front deck, giving you peaceful lake views. Inside, it feels like a cozy studio apartment with a compact kitchen, a stylish bathroom, and a sleeping area that overlooks the water. It's eco-friendly too, using solar panels and a smart waste system. Starting at around $98,000, it offers both luxury and mobility, a modern floating lifestyle on your own terms. The Severn Lamb double-deck trolley is a special kind of vehicle that brings together classic charm and modern technology. It looks like an old-style trolley you might see in historic towns, but it's built with today's standards in mind. Each trolley is carefully handcrafted, which gives it a unique and high-quality appearance. It's ideal for use in cities, shopping centers, or tourist spots where it can attract attention and offer a fun ride. This trolley is made using strong wood and eye-catching brass, giving it a vintage look. But it also comes with modern features like energy-saving LED lights on the outside. What really makes it stand out is that it runs on clean electric power, which means it's better for the environment and easier to maintain. It has 2 decks and can carry between 50 to 70 passengers at a time, making it perfect for group transport. The trolley moves at a gentle speed of up to 16 kilometers per hour, so the ride is smooth and comfortable. Whether it's used for guided tours, public transport, or special events, the Severn Lamb double-deck trolley offers a stylish, reliable, and eco-friendly way to travel. Trail Quattro by Audi is a modern, electric off-road car made for adventure enthusiasts who want to explore tough terrains in an eco-friendly way. It combines advanced technology with sustainability, offering a driving range of up to 400 miles on regular roads and 155 miles off-road. Its design includes wide panoramic glass, giving passengers a great outdoor view. One unique feature is its drone lighting system, which replaces standard headlights. While the price hasn't been revealed, the cutting-edge technology suggests it will be on the higher side. Audi has tackled issues like battery life and off-road performance by adding adaptive features and tough materials. As these technologies evolve, the AI Trail Quattro aims to deliver a fun, eco-friendly off-road experience, mixing style, comfort, and sustainability for outdoor adventurers. The Atlas ATV is a powerful all-terrain vehicle designed to handle tough environments with ease. It's equipped with a 3LO V6 turbo diesel engine that produces 200 horsepower, ensuring excellent performance on different landscapes. The ATV has high ground clearance and an advanced suspension system, making it perfect for navigating rocky terrains, dense forests, and deep mud. With a length of about 15 feet and a width of 7 feet, it offers plenty of space for up to 6 passengers, making it ideal for both adventurous trips and professional use. Priced at around $120,000, the Atlas ATV combines strength, durability, and flexibility, making it a great choice for those looking for a reliable and powerful vehicle.
Razor DXT Drift Trike. It's a 3-wheeled bike made for sliding and drifting, not just riding. It has a tough steel frame, slick tires, and wide handlebars for great control. Some people have even added jet engines to it, turning it into a wild machine like something out of an action movie. It's not just about the parts. It's about the thrill you feel when drifting like a movie stunt driver.
The Moon Bike is a groundbreaking electric snow bike that enhances winter adventures with eco-friendly technology and great performance. Designed and made in France, this bike is both lightweight and durable, able to carry riders up to 265 pounds. It's perfect for exploring snowy trails and backcountry areas. Powered by a 3-kilowatt electric motor, it can reach speeds of up to 26 miles per hour, providing a fast and agile experience. Its dual battery system allows for a range of up to 35 miles, even in cold weather, so you can enjoy hours of adventure. Unlike loud snowmobiles, the Moon Bike runs quietly, letting you appreciate the serene beauty of nature. Its compact, modular design makes it easy to transport and store. Priced starting at $8,900, the Moon Bike is ideal for anyone looking for a fun and eco-conscious way to explore snowy terrain.